Good morning guys, my name is Balaji and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to Ngong Hills, and first step is to get in one of the matatus behind me. You have to come to the railway bus station and take the matatu 111. It goes straight to Ngong Hills, costs about 100 shillings and should take you there in about 1 hour, 1.5 hours. So let's go. So hey guys, here I am in Ngong. So the matatu from town was only about 70 shillings and you reach in about 1 hour. And there was a supermarket right next to the bus stand, so I stopped, made some purchases, bought some water, juice, some snacks, energy bar. And yeah, I'm on my way to the entrance. It's called Ngong Hills Forest Reserve, and yeah, it's about half an hour walk from the town. I should have gotten a bike, but I thought I could do it on foot, so here I am. I'll update you once I'm at the station. I need to breathe. So here I am at the entry point of Ngong Hills. It's 696 shillings per person for non-residents, and you can pay by card or M-Pesa. I was told that the card machine sometimes doesn't work, but today it was working, so everything's fine. And here's the entry point. There's windmills all around, and that view is amazing. So let's go, let's get started. I'm just going to have something to eat, something to drink, and then I'll start. Just from the town to the entry point, best to take a boda. That's a bike or a Uber, because it's a steep walk and unnecessary. So yeah, don't do it like me. Don't walk all the way from town to the entry point. So this is the first part of the hill, and already the view is fantastic. I'm surrounded by windmills. You don't realize how huge they are until you're actually next to it. So that's where I'm headed. I'm just going to take it slow. I'm out of shape. I'll just rest a lot, walk a bit, rest a lot. Wish me luck, and let's have some fun. This is the other side of the hill. I'm already exhausted. So I finally reached the top of the first hill, and that is the second hill. The weather here is crazy. You're alternatively roasted and freezing. Oh, but it's good. Oh man, the view is awesome. Let me carry on. Wish me luck. So this is the top of the second hill. The third hill. Hey guys, so I met this gentleman here. What's your name?
My name is Karanja.
Ranja. So when I was coming up to the entry point of Gong, he was jogging ahead in front of me. I thought he was going for a light jog. And now we're almost at the end point and he has finished it and he's coming back. He does this trip once a month and obviously he's in excellent shape.
Yes.
Wow. I wish I could be like you at your age.
Okay. You can. The choice is yours,
Yeah.
not mine.
Okay.
It does not cost you anything.
Mhm.
It does not need any money. It does only need your eggs and your goodwill, and you finish up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a pleasure meeting you.
Pressure you, my
Okay.
friend. What is your name?
Sorry?
What is your name?
Balaji.
Balaji. My
Yeah.
name is Karanja.
Karanja, nice to meet
Okay,
you.
brother. I'll see you another time. Come here, maybe. I'll be here on Saturday.
I will try to make that happen. Yeah.
Just come on Saturday. I'll be around.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Have
Nice
a nice
time.
day.
Nice day
Okay.
too.
You too.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
That was amazing meeting that old gentleman. When he passed by me, I thought he was just going a light jog to his house or something. I had no idea he would be so far ahead and finish the trail. And he does this once a week. I thought he said once a month. No, it was once a week. So, oh man, I am so out of shape compared to him. Oh, finally, I'm getting some breeze. Hello. Hi. How much further to the top?
That hill is the top.
Oh, okay. So
The
not
next one is the
highest.
peak. Yeah. Then the others are just going down.
How much further to the other side from the peak?
Oh, from the gate to the other gate is 10 kilometers.
Oh, okay. No, I mean from there, is it all like steep hills or like flat?
No, the other ones are more gentle.
Oh, more gentle. Okay.
Yeah. So you can finish on the other end,
Mm-hmm.
and you
Take a
can pick
matatu.
a matatu from the other side.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I will take a look. Okay. Thank you.
Enjoy.
You too. Back into the jungle, and I honestly lost count of which hill this is. I can't remember how many hills I went up and down. Oh. Hi guys, so here I am. This is the highest point of Ngong Hills. You can see it here. And the way back is too steep, so I'm going straight to Kariobangi, which is just follow the road straight down. I'm so tired. Okay, hopefully I can finish this trek on the other side. So I got some advice from some actual mountaineering people. There's a group that's trying to climb Mount Kenya in 12 hours, and they're trying to raise charity in support of climate change. They want to plant 50,000 trees in the Mount Kenya ecosystem. So I'll put a link in the description. Please support them. And a gentleman that group told me that I'm exactly at the midpoint, yeah, a bit from the entry and exit, so I can choose either to go back or I can go forward. He did say going forward the hills would be more gentle, so compared to going back, I think I would take my chances and just go forward. So that's what I'm going to do. Hope, but then again, he actually climbs mountains, so what's gentle for him might not be gentle for me. But I hope he's right. So let's go. Oh man, it's beautiful. This camera's next place we'll see. Might be an adventure. That guy was right. So I'll just brings us on this side. Hello, Mambo. Nice to meet you. So that guy seemed very interested in my camera, so I stopped the video, took a short clip of him and showed it to him, and he seemed very happy. He doesn't speak English. He said something to me I didn't understand. I just said okay, and he was happy. That was interesting. He was very friendly. The gravesite of Paramount Chief Olonana Olambatan Masai Olaiboni, born 1870, died 7th March 1911. Rest in peace. Oh yeah, I heard about this. People, the tribal people put their deceased inside a tree and let it grow. Or was that they would bury them under the tree? I forgot the actual story. But yeah, this is actually supposed to be sacred. Huh. Is that? I'm not sure. I thought that might be a rib cage. Oh yeah, finally I see the guard post. Civilization again. So here we are, finally at the end. I'm going to put the camera away in case they object to my filming, or they ask for more money. I'll start recording again on the other side. See you guys. There doesn't seem to be anybody there. Okay, turning off now. There really was nobody there. No checking, no guards, nothing. I guess they don't care about this side of things. I just hope I can find transport back to town. Okay, let's record a bit more. clear the road, and I can see some vehicles there. I think those are the matatus. That's a relief. So I'm definitely out of the park. That gate back there was the exit, and there was no one guarding it. And this is just a way back to the road. Whew, it's a relief. So time is now almost 4:30. I entered the park around 11 o'clock. So 5.5 hours of trekking. Man, that was a good trek. I mean, I'm tired as hell, but I feel great. Right, here we are. Okay, I'm going to pack this in. Bye for now.